One of the biggest talking points for me so far is the difference in engine noise. Take a listen to this. This is Nico Rosberg's Mercedes. But that's nothing compared to this, the Honda. An eventful time there, and it's taken us until day 3 of this test to bring you this footage because Honda have really struggled with reliability so far. But Fernando is in the middle of a 10-lap run, so progress is being made, and to me the Honda sounds both louder and has a deeper roar than anything else out there, and that will no doubt go some way towards appeasing the naysayers who say Formula 1 under these current turbo regulations isn't loud enough. And it'll probably be putting a smile on Soichiro Honda's face as well. He'll be looking down from up there and loving the noise because he was a man who believed that engine oil smelled like perfume. Now I'm off to get some earplugs.